Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a canvas in ReactJS. To begin, you will need to import the useRef and use effect hooks from React. Next, create a canvas element in your component's render method and attach a ref to it. This ref will allow you to directly access the DOM canvas element. Inside a useEffect hook, you can then get the two-dimensional rendering context, which is essential for all drawing operations. This foundational setup prepares your canvas for visual content. Once your canvas is set up, the next step is to draw. You'll first obtain the two-dimensional rendering context using Canvas Ref. Current, get context 2D. With this context, you can draw various shapes. For instance, fill rect 10, 10, 150, 100 draws a filled rectangle. You can also set fill style to change its color, perhaps to red, before drawing. Similarly, begin path and arc allow you to draw circles, providing a versatile drawing surface. To make your canvas dynamic, you can add interactivity. Attach event listeners directly to the canvas element, such as on mouse move or on click. These listeners allow you to capture user input and update your canvas drawing in response. For smooth animations, request animation frame is crucial. It tells the browser you want to perform an animation and requests that the browser calls a specified function to update an animation before the next repaint, typically 60 times per second. For optimal performance, especially with complex drawings, consider several strategies. One key tip is to only redraw the parts of the canvas that have actually changed, rather than clearing and redrawing everything. For very intricate or static elements, an off-screen canvas can pre-render these, then quickly draw them onto the main canvas. Also, avoid frequent context state changes, like repeatedly setting fill style or stroke style within your main drawing loop to maintain high frame rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.